Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all of them will be fine. Today our topic is about how to install Microsoft Office 2007 and how to enable PDF option in Microsoft Office 2007, as well as how to bring these icons on desktop. So first of all, how to install Microsoft Office. I have already installed in my computer, but I'll telling you how to install. This is Office 2007. You can also download from Google. If you do not want it to install from the Google, you can find the link in the descriptions of 2007 and you can easily download from there. So first of all, you have to copy the key. Simple and easy method. Copy, then cross. Here is the setup. Double click on setup. As I have already installed, you can see add or remove feature, repair and remove. I do not want it to do this because I have already installed. It takes few times to install, so don't cancel installations. Be patient and it take few times to install. Okay, so don't skip these. So I'm going to cross. Here will be show that enter the key. You will enter the key and installation will be continue. So I have already installed. Going to cross, cancel. Okay, how to enable option of PDF in Microsoft 2007. First of all, I will tell you how to bring icon on desktop. Go to research. You can see here is a research icon. Click here and research. Click on caps lock M and S. MS Word. Left click, go to open file location. Here you can see all Microsoft Excel tools. Click here, left, then create shortcut, then click on create shortcut. Window cannot create a shortcut here. Do you want to shortcut to be replaced on the desktop instead? Yes. Now minimize and you can see here is Microsoft Office. Then again for Excel shortcut key, click left and create shortcut. Yes. After for PowerPoint, click left and create shortcut. Yes. Okay. Now cross. You can see this is the Excel, this is the Microsoft Office. Now how to enable PDF option in Micro Office 2007. Double click. You can see if we write here something and want to convert it to the PDF, go to the save as. You can see here is not option of PDF and XP. If you double click here, then you will see like this. Word 2000 is now retired, so do not have to panic about it. Okay, so cross this. So go to the Chrome and research here. Save as PDF and XPS for Office 2007, then click. You will see 2007 Microsoft Office. Click here, and here download the latest version for the Windows. Click here. Okay, then click on download. Now our downloading is start. You'll see my internet is slow, so don't worry about it. Listen to me, be carefully. If it does not work, I mean if this file does not work, you do not have to worry about it. You will find the link in the description of my file. Click here and download this file in your PC. Okay, now go to PC, here 2007. You can see save as PDF and XPS. Okay, this file link you will be find in your description. Okay, double click on this, click here to accept the Microsoft Office license term and go to the continue. Okay, please wait, don't cancel. Okay, don't cancel, please wait while window configures Microsoft Office PDF or XPS. Don't cancel, it takes some time. Now this installation is complete. Okay, now go to the Microsoft Office, write something here. Now you want it to convert it to the PDF and go to the save as. Now here is you can see the option of PDF or XP. Publish, click here. Now you can see save as type PDF option is here. You can save. Okay, you also can save in document. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and if you have any query you can ask in comment section. If I made any mistakes, so apologize for that. Please ask in the comment section if you feel any trouble and give me your feedback. I will really appreciate. Thank you for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.